Alright, now we got it hooked up. We have the alternator. This is the negative terminal going to the battery, positive terminal going to the battery, and back here is the wire that activates the alternator field, and we will connect that now. So, as soon as we start spinning up, you'll notice it starts spinning up, then the alternator field kicks in, and right now we are at max PSI because I already tried this a few times and I know what's going to happen. I have a voltmeter over here reading the voltage of the battery. Now if I was actually spinning enough RPMs to be able to see it going up slowly. However, it is definitely not going up. If anything, it's slowing down. So, angle grinder or die grinder definitely does not have enough power to power an alternator. Too bad.